Pokemon. Pokemon. Pokemon.
Tackle. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
This is what they do
And
in the spawn.
level 5.
Oh yeah, forgot. This is what Nicholas does. This is how he entertains himself. Oh?
Why do you say that?
What?
Why are you making a video?
I'm watching y'all get the ice cream.
Well, the ice cream truck's gonna be stuck down there for quite a while, Waylon.
What'd you say?
The ice cream truck's stuck for a long while.
A long while.
Yeah, there are tons of people coming up
Isn't she
over
cute?
and they're like, oh, and then another person goes, and then another person goes.
Are you an old man, Nick?
Why don't we just ride our bicycles down? Hey, I found the wild Nickeroodle.
Not the wild Nickeroodle.
Look at you, brother. Oh, look at me. Look at this. Look at this. I hope you know I can help. Look. Hey, Matt, look. Matt, look at me. No, it's like this. Man, the truck is never going to move in spots. Not like this. Ice cream truck, you come around. I'm gonna do Somebody help me. Get me.
I'm getting them. Hey! Forget about our mailbox. We're waiting on this ice cream truck that's down there. Say it. A Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo? He wants a push-up. Push-up? Yeah, he wants a push-up.
Oh, I got the bag. Wait, no, that's not the same bag.
There you go, Scooby-Doo. That's your quarterback, and that's your Scooby-Doo. That's your
Stand over here. Right, stand behind me.
He already did.